I remember when the third generation Mazda 3 came out, and I thought this was one of the best looking compact car that was out at that time. But then Mazda did this thing where they released another generation, the fourth generation of Mazda 3. And I can honestly say that I think the fourth gen is one of the best looking car out on the market right now. And I think it has a lot to do with the sleek design and simple design really that the car has. One aspect that I absolutely love about the fourth generation is the front grille. So in order to get that sleek design, I could either A, trade in this third generation Mazda 3 for a fourth gen, or get this. Well, not like this, but like what's in the box. So what I got for the Mazda 3 to really freshen up the look of the car is a honeycomb mesh grille. Ta-da! Oh yeah, this looks way nicer. I think it looks way nicer than the chrome outline. This being a GT, or the highest spec with the 2.5, already has some gloss black trim in the front grille, but I think this is gonna make it look way sharper. It's gonna make it more modern, and definitely gonna look a lot more like the fourth generation Mazda 3.
First thing I do is set up some shade because it's hot outside. Then I start to remove the front bumper.
All right, so it's starting great. The four main bolts that I'm supposed to take out to remove the bumper on top of the plastic clips are rusted and seized in there. So I already snapped one off by trying to remove it, and the other ones are just not moving at all. So I'm gonna have to tap them out. Great first start.
Now I remove the bolts and clips holding the front of the belly pan. While removing the bumper, you really need to pull hard on it because there's two clips holding it back to the body of the car. Finally, I'm disconnecting the fog lights. Also, if you're one of the few with a car equipped with the IE loop system, this is what it looks like. Now that the bumper is off, I can take the grille out. I also tapped out the aluminum clips holding the upper panel. What a difference with both grilles side by side. Now it's just a matter of reinstalling everything.
So it's the next day. I was able to finish the front grille completely yesterday, but to really bring the front end together and to complete it, this kit also came with a front lip. So I'll be installing that. It's similar to, it should be similar to what the OEM spec front lip that you could get from Mazda, from the factory as a option, like as a dealer option. There's a lip kit. It should be very similar to that one. So let's go and install it on the car. So the front lip and the front grille are all installed and the car looks phenomenal. I think it really modernizes the front end of the car. Just glancing at it, you'd think it's a 4th gen. It looks so much better with that front grille and the front lip. Even installing the front plate on the car, the front plate does sit a lot lower. So instead of being in the middle of the front grille, like the OEM one, there's a few things with this grille. Since it is an eBay grille and lip, like there was a few screws missing for the front lip. In the corner, you can't even tell, but like in close to the headlights, there's a little bit of a crack, but that's really just nitpicking. I think it turned out really good. For the price of it and for what you get, I think the front grille and lip are really awesome. But before modifying your car, one important thing to do is to make sure that your maintenance is up to date. And you can go check out this video right here where I go over all the maintenance on the Skyactiv engine. And we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.